Hello and welcome back to Motorsport and Performance. I'm Teddy and today we've got a really special episode. It's a bit of a behind the scenes slash sort of parts review and install. It's going to be really cool. I think you're going to really enjoy it. First things first, you have seen this car before. It was on the channel a while ago when it had its Supercharger preparation mods for the chassis. So it had springs, it had an IRS base kit, it's got braces, vertical links, toe links. Chassis is really good, it's there. Since that, there's a lot being done, so I'm going to show you through it. So, obviously, that's not standard. We've got a massive 3 litre Whipple under there painted in triple yellow. Under the bonnet this thing looks absolutely mental. Custom rocker covers, pro alloy header tank, CSF radiator. We've also got a dual pass heat exchanger in there as well with our oil cooler, but I think we did that on the previous time. Oil pump and crank gear, the standard stuff when we do the Whipples. We've got headers on here as well, ARH 1/7/8 inch headers I believe, but also it's not just a standard Whipple, we've got a 10 rib pulley system on here. D has just installed new injectors. He's fit the FIC 1000cc injectors. We've also dropped the pulley size by 2 sizes as well. So now we've got a 3.625 on here. So if you look down here as well, we've also got a brand new front end on the car. We've got the RTR chin lip spoiler. This thing's really cool. I love it because it's really different to any other splitter because it covers up the fog light holders. Proper robust as well. It's not a flimsy little splitter. Really falling in love with the RTR parts. As you can see, we've got the upper grille and the lower grille with the RTR nostril lights. So this thing just looks mean as out when it's going down the road. So we're also rolling on some new wheels and tyres now. It's now on Pilot Sport 4S tyres with the Velgen VF9 wheels. Gloss black, they were originally Asbo Max wheels, so we've found a new home now. So the car does look pretty mean, but it's not outlandish, if you like. It's, you know, until you open the bonnet, this is just like a Mustang. You wouldn't know pulling up to it how much power this car's got, other than it's got a nice Supercharged badge under here. So we went for a matte one on the lower half to stick with the gloss. Contrasts, it looks pretty good. I really like it. D's been cracking on with some stuff. Another thing he's done is a clutch. So we put a clutch in it because Michael said that the clutch was slipping. And I'm not surprised, it did make 890 brake horsepower from the Whipple and the headers, so it's crazy power. So we've put a LPX clutch in there, just making sure that this car is putting the power to the wheels. So we are getting stuck into a GT350 brake install, and actually it's going to be a really cool one because Michael, come in mate, Michael is working with us today. And we're going to be cracking on. This is Michael's car. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun, aren't we? We are. There we go. 350R shafts with a kit, so let's get them in mate, off you go. Put that down mate, I'll go watch it. Up a bit, there we go, right, jam it in mate, go on. Perfect, in. That's it, lovely. Next thing mate is hub. So have you been in any races with it Michael? Off-road obviously. What have you had, like some little do's with? Anything?
I've had a couple of do's with a couple of Porsches, a few Ferraris. Yeah.
There we go mate, we can talk now. Yeah, what cars?
Like I said, BMW M4s,
yeah.
A couple of M3s.
Yeah.
But again, it surprises a lot of people.
Yeah. Now it was like 890 horsepower as it is now, and it's going to be more later. Oh. So it's crazy mate. Well, it will be. Drop 2 pulley sizes mate and bigger injectors, you know.
What do you think we're hoping for?
I don't want to say, but if you want to open a book, we'll open a book. Yeah, I'm going to go 950.
I'm hoping for about 1,000.
I mean 950s, you know, it's, yes mate, that's the one. Right, fair enough, nice.
That would be the dream.
Yeah, 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah.
There's a sweet spot for that, mate, and it will just go in. Just find it, I think maybe down a bit.
There we go.
That is going.
I think we got it.
That's it, it's going.
There we go.
Right,
you give it
that'll
a
do.
wiggle.
Cut there?
Yeah.
Yeah, just while I get his breath back after that.
Let's get this
Right, get toe link on.
There we go.
What's your most memorable moment, like arse pinching moment? What is the best bit?
First seeing it when it was finished with Supercharger build.
Yeah.
And then the first test drive with Ben.
Oh, test drive with Ben, how was that? We all know what Ben's like.
Very, very eye-opening.
Right.
I wasn't expecting it. Especially, so I got told the figures.
Yeah.
Yeah, first test drive with Ben. Made me realise how powerful this thing was.
Right. Yeah.
And it shocked me.
Yeah, Ben's
why all brakes.
Yeah. So this car's got quite a lot of mobs on it. What's your favourite?
A little bit cliche, but it's the Supercharger.
Yeah. I mean, I knew it was going to be there, you know. It is cool, is that triple yellow Whipple, 10 rib pulley system,
10 rib.
all the goodies. All the goodies.
Yeah, safety.
Yeah.
Make
Yeah.
sure everything's nice, safe.
Longevity sort of thing, yeah.
Bit of reliability as well.
Yeah. What's your experience been like coming to Matt? Tell us about start to finish.
Absolutely fantastic. From first moment rolling in
Right.
to you walking out with a big grin on your face.
Every time you come down.
Every time I come. Both the Bens, fantastic. D, always a pleasure. Abo, what a guy. Always laughing and giggling. Just, yeah, it's almost like a second family.
Nice, mate. I'm glad to hear it.
And it won't be last time I'll be here.
No, there's going to be more than this, isn't there? Even though,
There's a
you
few
know,
more mods in the pipeline.
GT350 brakes, Supercharger, headers, suspension, wheels, front end, lighting. More is coming. What more is there? You know, but there's more. There is more. What is more? Roll bars, diff, yeah, diff.
Maybe a carbon prop shaft.
Crazy, crazy.
Which is a mega build.
We love crazy here. So.
Yeah, definitely.
Lighting good, mic on. Right, let's go. So, a look at this. This is just insane. This is the best looking brake kit that money can buy. Now, we are nearly done. We've just got the lines to put on, a couple of little bits to finish, haven't we? We've got literally 90% of it done. The rear's quite a big job because you've got half shafts, hubs, handbrake cable, the lot. You've got everything to put on. Front right is nearly stripped, so I'm going to get that done, but Michael's got to go now. You've got other commitments, obviously, work, home, everything like that. So, but what do you think, mate? How have you enjoyed your day?
Absolutely fantastic, Terry. Been, good insight how to you guys work. You can fully appreciate everything, what goes into a build.
Yeah. It doesn't look as simple in person as it does on camera, does it? So
it's been a fantastic experience.
Nice. Well, you're more than welcome anytime, mate, like I say.
Appreciate that.
So,
but again, I'd like to say a massive thanks, obviously, to yourself.
Thank you.
Let me come down, work with you guys. Ben, for letting me come down, and just the rest of the guys have been welcoming, making me part of the team. It's been brilliant.
Excellent, mate. Thank you very much. Yeah. Right, I'll let you get on, mate. So I just wanted to pause here, guys, because Michael's now gone, as you've seen. He really wanted to get stuck in, so we just cracked on, and I know I've not said really anything about the brakes. You've seen them going on and stuff, but I've not told you anything about them, so I'm just going to take a minute now, tell you what they are, how much they are, why you might want them, why you might not want them.
Yeah.
So at the front, these brakes are 15.5 inches. Now it is quite a big oversize over stock. It's going to give you way better stopping power. The heat dispersion of these brakes is way better than it is on a stock disc as well. They are directional vented discs and they're drilled. Now obviously to accommodate this bigger disc you need a bigger caliper. It's still a 6-pot caliper, however the pads are also wider as well to accommodate for the bigger disc. To the back. Ready?
Yeah, mate.
So at the rear we've got a 14.9 inch disc. The caliper here, completely different style. This is a 4-pot on the rear, whereas previously you've only got a single pot. However, there's no handbrake in this caliper. The handbrake is by a drum in here, so it's separate, which is better for performance. Brake cooling again is way better on these discs. So within the kit you get discs, pads, calipers all round. You get all the necessary new fittings. You get new banjo bolts, you get new caliper bolts, you get caliper brackets to mount the calipers. At the rear you get hubs, you get handbrake cables because it's now a drum style system. You also get 350 half shafts. The knuckles are actually GT350 knuckles, so you've got upgraded bearings in there anyway, so it is actually a bit of a suspension upgrade as well with them new toe link bushings and the knuckle bushing on the arm. It's a crazy kit, it is fully comprehensive, you don't need to buy anything to be able to put these on your car, which also does come with a cost. Obviously it's a GT350R brake kit, it's quite exclusive to GT350Rs, it's a big kit, it's comprehensive, it's about £5,979 I think was the last price we saw. That's what it's coming in at now, but it is the most inclusive brake kit you can buy for a Mustang. There's no brake kit that comes like this and goes on, so, and it's designed for the car. So guys, we are going to wrap this video up here. The car is coming back very soon, so we're going to do another video on it. We've got, like Michael said, we've got a diff to put in it. We also need to see what power it makes on dyno now. We've dropped the two pulley sizes and put the injectors in it. It's going to be crazy. So we've got loads more to do, roll bars as well. We're going to be doing roll bars, so the car's coming back and you're going to get to see it in its full finished form. I say finished, probably not finished knowing Michael, but it's going to be somewhere near. So thanks for watching guys, we'll see you next time.